teriyaki beef and greens recipe. Today is another post about good diet food. This is one of my favorite post-workout foods. It is very good because it provides some green, leafy vegetables that are very good for replenishing lost vitamins. There is protein for muscle recovery, and a little bit of dairy, which is an essential part of any diet. Ingredients. For marinade: 4 tablespoons teriyaki sauce, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon hot mustard, 1 teaspoon sriracha sauce, 1 teaspoon pepper, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 2 teaspoons crushed red pepper. Other ingredients: 5 ounces steak, any kind, I prefer sirloin, chopped into bite-sized pieces, 1 cup onion chopped, 1/4 cup cheddar cheese, 2 tablespoons sesame oil, 2 handfuls spring greens mix. Instructions: mix marinade together until well blended into a slightly liquid paste. Place meat in mixture. This can be prepared immediately or can sit in the refrigerator for up to 24 hours. I like to prepare it before I go to the gym, and by the time I get home the meat has really taken the flavor. Put oil in skillet and heat. Saute onions until clear. Place meat, marinade mixture in skillet and saute until golden brown and marinade caramelizes. Place meat on greens and sprinkle cheese over top. Serve hot.